Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore linear equations with two variables. Linear equations are those where the maximum power of the variables is 1. These equations can be used to solve real-life problems like finding the cost of pencils, weather predictions, expressing cricket scores, and even deciding how many chocolate and balloons you can buy with your money. The government also uses linear equations for surveys. Based on number of variables used, they can be categorized. Like linear equation in one variable and two variable. And to keep things balanced, we need to add or subtract the same number on both sides of the equation. Let's talk about linear equations with two variables. These equations are in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a and b are not both 0. The variables are x and y. For example, 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, where a is 3, b is 2, c is minus 5, and the variables are x and y. Now, let's try to form an expression for this model. 6 tiles contain x plus 5 tiles contain y and plus 4 tiles contain x and minus 2 tiles contain 1. Using symbols, we can represent the tiles like this: 6x plus 5y plus 4x minus 2. When we group the like terms and constants, it looks like this: 10x plus 5y minus 2. Solving linear equations means finding a pair of values, one for x and one for y, that satisfy the given equation. We write the solution as an ordered pair, with the value of x first and then the value of y. There can be infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. Let's check if the ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution for the equation 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. We substitute x with 2 and y with 3 in the equation and see if the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. LHS is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 3 into 2, 4 into 3 plus 6 is equal to 6 minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. Since LHS is equal to RHS, so 2, 3 satisfy the equation 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. A linear equation in two variables is called a degree 1 polynomial equation because its geometric representation is a straight line. When we plot the solutions, which are ordered pairs, on a graph paper and join them, we get a straight line. Using an example, next we will see the steps to plot a graph of a linear equation. Plot 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Step 1. Express y in terms of x. So we get y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Step 2 is choose at least 2 or 3 values of x and find the corresponding values of y, satisfying the given equation. Next step is write these values of x and y in the form of a table. So we get the values of x and y, 0, 6, and 1, 4. Step 4 is plot the above ordered pairs, x, y, on graph paper. And the last step is joining these points, we get a straight line. This line is the required graph of the given equation. Now, let's look at the equations of line on the graph. For x-axis, the equation is y is equal to 0. For y-axis, the equation is x is equal to 0. That's all for today's lesson on linear equations with two variables. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 9. Thank you.